In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the balance on your eBay gift card, ensuring that you're always aware of how much you have available to spend on your purchases. It's a simple process that you can do within a few minutes, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can confidently manage your eBay gift card balance. Let's dive in. First, what you'll need to do is log in to your eBay account. This is an important step because checking your gift card balance requires you to be signed in. If you don't yet have an account, setting one up is straightforward, and I recommend doing so to get the most out of your shopping experience on eBay. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add an item to your cart. This doesn't have to be a purchase you're committed to making. You're simply doing this to access the checkout page where you can see your gift card balance. Browse the site and select any item that catches your eye, then add it to your cart. After you have an item in your cart, go ahead and click the Go to Checkout button. This will redirect you to the checkout page, where a lot of the essential details are inputted before finalizing a purchase. It's here that you'll find the information you need regarding your gift card balance. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is where you'll need to enter your gift card details to check the balance. It's crucial to have your gift card code at hand, either a 13 or 16-digit number, because you'll need to type it into the specified field. Once you've put in your gift card code, click on Apply. Doing this will automatically show you the available balance on your card. It's that simple. You can now see how much you have left to spend. Furthermore, if you have multiple eBay gift cards, you can keep track of them all directly from the checkout page. This allows you to manage your cards efficiently without any hassle. Adding more eBay gift cards to your account is straightforward as well through the Add Gift Card page, so it's a great way to consolidate all your balances in one place without having to keep a separate record. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to check and manage your eBay gift card balance. It's an essential skill for anyone who frequently shops on eBay, ensuring you always have a clear picture of how much credit you have available. Keep an eye on those balances so that the next time you spot something you want to buy, you'll know exactly what's left on your gift cards. Happy shopping!